Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sannappa. So this video we will discuss and we will see some facts about Star Delta starter. Okay. So normally we use the Star Delta starters to reduce the starting current of the bigger motors. Okay. So by using the Star Delta starter, we will reduce this bigger motor starting current. Okay. So but why? Okay, why we want to reduce the starting current? Okay, by reducing the starting current we will reduce the speed of the motor. Okay, so this is what we are reducing the starting current. Okay, so in high starting current, motor will run in full speed, that means high speed. Okay, by reducing the starting current the motor speed will be reduced. Okay, so by reducing the speed, what we will achieve, we will avoid the mechanical damage of the motors. Okay, example, in AHO, in conveyor, in pumps, there are many bigger motors. Okay, if you start with full speed, the mechanically the motor will damage the entire systems. Okay, so to avoid that mechanical damage we want to reduce the speed of the motor in starting. Okay, so to reduce the speed of the motor, so we are reducing this starting current. For reducing this starting current we are using this Star Delta starters. Okay, this is main purpose of the using Star Delta starters. Okay, and also by reducing this starting current we will save the electricity. Okay, so this is one more benefit for this Star Delta starter. Okay, so by reducing this starting current we reduce the starting speed. Okay, so what will happen, obviously the motor life will increase. Okay, then these Star Delta starters can be used for higher motors ratings with six terminal connection terminals. Okay, six numbers connection terminals. Okay, so usually the motors with three terminal we cannot use this Star Delta starter. For using this Star Delta starter we need the motors with six terminals. Okay, so the terminal should be U1 V1 W1 U2 V2 W2. Okay, so for this combination motor terminals only or motors only we can use this Star Delta starters. Okay, so for motors with three terminal we cannot use this Star Delta starter, we can use only DOL starter. Okay, so even the motor with the six terminals where the motors used for the application of motor should start with a high starting current, there we cannot use this Star Delta starter. Okay, again I'm telling, where the motors must be or the where the application should be with high torque, like conveyors, power hoist, lifting motors, gear coupled motors. So this kind of application we cannot use this Star Delta starters. Okay, so we already seen by using the Star Delta starter it will reduce the speed of the motor. Okay, once the speed is reduced, the starting torque also will be reduced. Okay, so that case in conveyors belts with loaded material, this type of starter will not take the load. Also in big cranes, in big factories there will be a powerized with load. Okay, lifting and dropping. Okay, so that kind of application this Star Delta starters cannot be used. Okay, so we need to go for only DYL starter or VFDs with high torque version. Okay, so this is one disadvantage of this Star Delta starters. Okay, if you use this Star Delta starter, the motor will not lift the load or motor will not convey the material from one end to another end. Okay, then so this when using this Star Delta starter, contactor and overload relay ratings can be used lower than the DYL starter rating. Okay, so when you are using DYL starter, so the rating of the contactor will be some rating. Okay, like example, in DYL starter if you use 18 ampere, in Star Delta starter you can use 0.58 times only. Okay, So this is one advantage, but still we will see in the next page. Okay, so contactor and overload ratings can be used lower than device starters ratings. Okay, so in star delta starter, the ratings will be reduced by 0.58 times. Okay, so here you can see if you use in 18 ampere contactor in device starter, you can use only 10 ampere or 11 ampere contactor in star delta starters. Okay, overload also you can use accordingly. Okay, this is one of the advantage in star delta starter. Okay, but if you go for the number of components, if you compare with device starter, it is more components than the device starter. Okay, need more components than device starter. Usually in device starter we can use one breaker, one contactor, and one overload relay. Okay, but if you take star delta starter, you need one breaker and three contactor and overload relay and one star delta timer. Okay, so you need more components than the star delta you need more components than the DYL starter. Okay, in star delta starter you have to use more components. Okay, so once you use more components than DYL starter, obviously the cost will increase. Okay, so this star delta starter is expensive than the DYL starter. Okay, but still wherever you should use this star delta starter, it is benefits, like it will increase the life of the motor and it will fulfill your application. Okay, so I hope you understand, many things about the star delta starters. Okay, I hope this video will be useful for you. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are new for my channel, if you want to know more, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, so I will see you in next video with a different subject. Till then, bye from Senapparajan.